All you guys, I've been missing in action. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl M. Williams. Yeah, I've been missing in action. But you guys, let's get going. So you guys, I'm gonna piggyback off this video that I did about a year ago. I did it a while ago, and it's about how to get your cosmetology license without going to cosmetology school.
What?
And what kind of motivated me to do this is because one of my someone on my YouTube channel, they put a comment, and I thank you. I'm gonna put the comment up here. And she put a comment on that video. She watched that video, and she put a comment on there saying, "I still don't get the video. No way you can get a license without going to school. I went to school for it, and my FAFSA paid for it for those who have kids and etc. But if it works, it works. But I would suggest at least taking one actual class later on in life, just because it teaches you about different scalp diseases and what you can and cannot work on." So as I mentioned, I'm gonna put her comment up there on my channel. That kind of motivated me, really. So thank you, girl. Shout out to you. It kind of motivated me to do this other video. I was gonna do a follow-up video on that, but you guys, it's been a year, and you know, I haven't posted a video, uploaded a video on my channel in 2 weeks. I've been extremely busy at work. I'm a retired hairstylist. So let's jump right into this thing. This is gonna be kind of like a part 2, or kind of like a follow-up to that video that I did a year ago. So you guys, it is actually true. I mean, you know, sometimes in life, you guys, you got to realize that there are some things in life that sound too good to be true, that we do not know anything about. But just because we don't know anything about it does not mean it doesn't exist, or doesn't mean it's not true. So sometimes you really don't know what to research if you don't even know it exists. So this is true, you guys. A lot of states have it. I'm here in the state of Georgia, and it's here in Georgia. I don't know about other states. I'm gonna put some links for some other states down below to try to help you guys. But all you gotta do, you know, Google is everything. So all you have to do is Google, you know, in your state, and I will tell you what to Google. I will put it up on the screen what you need to Google. And then please drop comments down below. Tell me what state you're in. If you tell me what state you're in, I can help you as well. But anyway, you guys, it is true. I think they do it in all states as far as I know. But I know it's definitely here in Georgia. It's called an apprenticeship. It's where you can, as opposed to going to cosmetology school, you can work under someone with their license, and they can pretty much teach you. So anyway, to become a cosmetology apprentice in Georgia, you must be at least 17 years old. So when we're 17, most of us have graduated high school or about to graduate high school. So you have to be in Georgia at least 17 years old, and you have to submit an application for cosmetology apprenticeship. You must complete 3,000 hours. So if you go to school to be a cosmetologist here in Georgia, if you go to cosmetology school, it takes half that amount of hours. So it takes 1,500 hours. But if you do the apprenticeship here in Georgia to get a cosmetology license, it takes 3,000 hours, which is double the amount of time. So it takes a minimum of 18 months of training under the supervision of a licensed master cosmetologist with at least 3 years of experience. You can also apply for a cosmetology apprentice license online and train under the direct supervision of a licensed master licensee with at least 36 months experience. Other requirements for obtaining license, you know, you can also do it and stuff like as a nail tech or a barber. So you guys, I'm gonna put the link back down below. It's gonna tell you everything in the description box below. But it is true. Again, just because you don't know about something don't mean it's not true. They're not out here. You don't see these states out here, you know, just posting it everywhere about, oh, you can get a cosmetology license or a barber license without going to cosmetology school or barbering school. But you guys, the way it works is you have to find somebody, as I just read, that's willing to apprentice you. And to be honest, a lot of salon owners are looking for apprentices because it's kind of a way for them to get, you know, some help for free, you know, because they will expect you while they're training you to be, you know, helping them out. So it's kind of a win-win situation, which is what motivates them to do it in the first place. But anyway, you guys, it's really simple. And again, just because you don't know it, don't mean it don't exist. It does exist. So you have to just do your research. I'm going to put some links down. In a lot of states now, including Georgia, are getting kind of more open without, you know, some of them don't even require a license. But with me, you know, I'm an ex-salon owner. I had a storefront salon and I had 2 salon suites at the same time that I had my storefront. So 3 different locations simultaneously. And I was always interviewing stylists and hiring hairstylists. And, you know, if I were you, and, you know, I was a hairstylist too and still am. I'm just a retired stylist. But I retired last year, 2023, the end of last year. I would recommend that you do get your license, you know, however that you can get it, whether you go to school or whether you do it this apprenticeship way. And that's just my opinion, which I give on my. So, now there are several states in the U.S. that do not require a license to be a braider. You can work in a salon and not have a license to be a braider. Those states, and I will put it down below, are Arizona, Arkansas, California, Colorado, Connecticut, Delaware, Georgia, Iowa, Kansas, Kentucky, Maryland, Michigan, Mississippi, Nebraska, Texas, Utah, Virginia, Washington, and West Virginia. Again, I'm going to drop that down below, link for that, and information that I'm giving you now. I'm going to put links below so you can look down below. But I'm also, you guys, going to put the link below for the video, this initial video that I did a year ago. It has gotten over, I think, over 6,000 views in a year, and it's telling you more detailed information about how to get your cosmetology license without going to cosmetology school. So I just wanted to put something on here brief. If you have any specific questions, please drop them down below. I will be more than happy to give you more information. If you're in a certain state and you need my help, please drop the state that you're in. Drop it down below. Put the comments down there, and then I always respond back to my comments. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. I hope you will subscribe. You know, I have a plethora of stuff on my channel, and I hope that you will learn from what I have on my channel. I have playlists that'll help you if you're in the hair industry. If it's something you want me to discuss on my channel or want a video on, please drop it down below in the comments. I'm going to see you guys on my next video. And again, I'm going to drop this video that you need to watch. I'm going to drop it down below. See you guys on the next video. Thank you in advance for subscribing. Peace and blessings.